Oh, this is so nice. Alaska is relaxing. I could be out here all day. This is nice.
Daddy, wake up! Daddy, wake up! We're still at the airport!
What?
Wake up!
What?
Wake up! We're still at the airport!
So, unbeknownst to us, we chose one of the most hectic travel days for our Alaska cruise. It was the day that brought most travel to a halt across the United States.
But we still made it to Seattle, and then we immediately crashed at the Hyatt Regency. And we were so thankful just to get there and not miss the ship. So we made it to Pier 66 North, and we were happy to see the Bliss. It was blissful, great, wonderful. Check-in was pretty easy since it wasn't that crowded. They allowed us to come in early. And you know what? After we checked in, we immediately went right back to waiting. And we're boarding. Stairs.
So, after we checked in at our muster station, we wanted to take a look around this beautiful, beautiful ship. And the Norwegian Bliss is an absolutely gorgeous ship. But as we take a look around the ship, one of the first places we always go to is the spa.
We head out of Port Seattle into the north end of Elliott Bay, and we are on our way.
So the Norwegian Bliss was built in 2018. They did a refurbish in 2021. There's about two water slides that they have. It's about 20 decks, and there's also a capacity on this ship of 4,000.
A Splash Academy is great for children 3 to 12. They have a movie theater. Check-in is relatively easy. They have lots of activities for children, games, you name it. Eden loved it.
And Daisy has this great ability to kind of keep him in line. And she's
Entourage is a club for teens 13 through 17. They have a bunch of activities that they can do, games, socialization activities, and even have video game tournaments. And sometimes they have a live DJ.
So after checking the girls into their clubs, we of course had to head to the Garden Café, which is the buffet on the ship. And one of our favorite foods on the ship is always Indian cuisine.
The line was long when I was up there.
Curry.
That's good.
No, go ahead and tell me how good it is.
Yeah, I ate that.
It's good.
Like how good though?
It's good.
10 out of 10 good.
How majestic. Welcome to the Pacific Northwest, where there's whales, gray skies, and the open sea. There are no whales out here right now, but we are waiting for whales. So in the meantime, we have a boat, and the majestic sea rages on.
Hi, guys.
Alright, so we're getting ready to go on our first excursion to Sitka. Say hi, Eden. Say hi. Say hi, Mommy. Welcome to Alaska. Say hi, Ava. And this is the rat race we're trying to get off on port day. So exciting.
So a few fun facts about Sitka, which was our first city that we visited on the cruise. So Sitka was the site of the signing of the Alaska Purchase. And also the city and bureau of Sitka, Alaska, is about 4,700 square miles. That makes it the largest city in the United States. And there's no way you can visit Alaska without getting some of this delicious king crab. Now, we didn't do a tour while we were in Sitka. We just walked around the downtown area, ate a lot of their good, delicious food, talked to a lot of the wonderful people that were in the city. It was a great time.
I'm gonna eat it.
All right, pet crab.
Yay! I'm gonna name it Stanley.
All right, you want to eat the crab? You want to touch it?
Oh, cool.
Look, they've touched it plenty of times as they cracking the leg.
So day 3 brought us to Juneau, and we took a ship excursion tour, did some whale watching, and went to Nugget Falls. Well, this is Nugget Falls trail. We're all the way up here. And look out for bears. You can see bears or other animals and stuff. Yeah. Walking fast. Ain't no wrong fast.
So where the shuttle drops us off when you're at Nugget Falls, it's about a mile from that entry point until you get to Nugget Falls. So expect that little hike if you are taking this trip. But it's a beautiful, beautiful walk. and you get to see all the beautiful foliage along the way.
And in this same excursion, we also did some whale watching. Whale watching is pretty cool. Only thing is you have to have your head on a swivel just to catch them all or catch anything. Mainly we saw humpbacks.
Here you go.
Be prepared with a raincoat, because Juneau is a temperate rainforest. Temperatures are generally cool, around 40 degrees some days, and it can feel quite warm or bitterly cold. And it rains or snows 236 days a year.
So day 4 brought us to ICY STRAIT POINT, which is in Hoonah, Alaska. It's such a quaint little town there. We did do an excursion with Norwegian when we got here. So one part of our excursion was, of course, we wanted to do a crab boil. So we did that, and then we enjoyed a beautiful tribute from one of the local tribes. Stay tuned.
Water and soda is included in your meal today. You're going to get the water from the store bin over there. You get the sodas at the register for me. I do have alcohol for purchase. I have 3 different styles of Alaska beers, Bloody Mary in a can, and 2 different styles of wine. You can also see me at the register for that. When you're done eating and you want to wash your hands, don't worry. There's a sink right around the corner over here. All you got to do is press the pan on the floor. Water will start going. If you need to go to the restroom, you can go right back the way you came. You're going to go off the road, walk around, take this first left. All you gotta do is grab the rope right off the tail and walk out. Please don't try to jump the ropes. I don't want anybody to get hurt. So these are our crab crackers. They're super easy to use. You just slip this sharp end into the crab and seesaw through. If you have any problems, just come get me. I'll show you how it's done. Please don't throw these away at the end of the feast. There is a station at each end of the plate. There's a basket over there and there's a basket over there. Just toss them in there. Your dirty trays go right there. Please use these trash cans for your trash. These 2 are for recycle. Your food is out. You got 15 minutes with us, and then someone will be here to pick you up to take you to tribal. I hope you enjoy your meal. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So day 5 brings us to Ketchikan, Alaska. Fun fact about Ketchikan, it is known as the salmon capital of the world. Another fun fact about Ketchikan is that they are famous for having the largest collection of standing totem poles in the world. So when we got to Ketchikan, we didn't do an excursion. We were there for a short time, so what we wanted to do was just kind of take a walk around the city to see what we saw. From our research, we knew we wanted to go to Creek Street because that's where you would see the spawning of the salmon, and then just see what else we could get into while we were there for our short time in the actual port. Now, there is a famous lumberjack show that takes place in Ketchikan. We didn't do it on this visit. We definitely plan to do it when we come back again.
So thank you very much for watching part 1 of our Alaskan adventure. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 coming soon.
Because we
do travel.
Yes.